In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack for project management. Let's dive into the essentials and optimize your workflow using this powerful tool. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Slack's official website where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll want to sign in using your Google account. This step simplifies the login process by linking your Gmail credentials with Slack, ensuring that you have secure and quick access to your workspace. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Slack dashboard, the central hub for all your project management activities. This is where you can access all your channels, direct messages, and most importantly, your apps. Now, our goal is to enhance your productivity by integrating useful apps. So find the option labeled Add Apps on your dashboard and click on it. This feature unlocks a variety of tools that integrate directly into Slack, enabling you to streamline your tasks. The next essential step is selecting the ClickUp app from the list of available integrations. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that allows you to keep track of tasks, manage timelines, and collaborate efficiently with your team. Clicking on ClickUp will take you to its installation page. Here you'll find more details about how it can aid in project management, alongside user reviews and ratings. Once you're ready to proceed, click the Install button. This action begins the process of integrating ClickUp into your Slack workspace. During this step, you might have to grant certain permissions, which allow ClickUp to communicate with other parts of your workspace. By doing so, you enable features like task notifications and updates on channels right within Slack. It's a simple yet powerful setup, bringing your project management capabilities to a centralized location. With ClickUp now installed, the final touch is to hit the Add to Slack button. This command solidifies the integration, making ClickUp readily accessible in your Slack environment. Now you can seamlessly create tasks, set deadlines, and assign team members without ever having to leave Slack. Collaborating with your project team has never been easier. You can effortlessly transition from discussions to actionable tasks. By incorporating tools like ClickUp directly into Slack, you transform your workspace into a robust project management platform. It keeps communication and management in one place, reducing friction and enhancing efficiency. Embracing these integrations truly maximizes the potential of Slack, ensuring your projects are managed smoothly and effectively. And there you have it, you're now equipped to use Slack as a comprehensive project management tool. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.